exponential expression, equation, sorry, and in this exponential equations, there is one more trick which you can apply, and if you apply this trick, you will not need logarithm. Actually, you can solve this equation without logarithm, okay? So let's look at the question 8a. And I would give the name to this type of exponential equations. It's solving exponential equation by factoring. Exponential equation by factoring. By factoring. And we will use the same strategy when factoring this kind of equations, which is the common factor, okay? Greatest common factor. So of course you have to identify the common factor before you are able to factor it. So look at the left side here and tell me what is in common between this expression and this expression. Not only 4. 4 to the power of x is in common, okay? But you might be confused factoring it out right away. That's why this one has to be written in a different way. So if you have x plus 1 here, then how can I replace this single exponential expression with a product of 2 exponential expressions?
4x plus 4.
4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of 1. Do you agree? Because I can go from here to here, right? So if the same base, multiply the expressions, I can add up exponents, okay? So I'm going to use this. And I will replace this expression with this product. So it will become 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of 1 plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 160. Now I am ready to factor. So greatest common factor, which is 4 to the power of x. So if I factor 4 to the power of x out, what will be left from this expression? Only 4, right? 4 to the power of 1 is 4. If I now, please be focused. If I factor out 4 to the power of x from this one, what will be left?
1.
1. Because factoring means dividing. When I'm factoring out this one, I divide each of the expressions by 4 to the power of x. So 4 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is going to be 1. Okay? Now, if I simplify the parentheses expression, it will be 5. Okay? Now I can, as you can see, this is a product, right? So I can divide both sides of the equation by 5. So 4 to the power of x is 160 over 5. What is 160 over 5, please? 20?
32.
32. And now, like yesterday, remember? Can you replace 32 with by a power of, or like which power of 4 is 32?
There is no.
I did the log, so I got 2.5.
Yes, you're supposed to do log. Exactly.
Okay, yes, you're right. So 32 is not the power of 4, right? Because 4 squared is 16, and then 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Then, yes, you're right. Then all what you can do here is use the previous, or the definition of log, right? So if you want to rewrite this expression as log, how will it look like?
Log base 4,
Mm-hmm.
32 as exponent equal to x.
Right. So what answer did you get? X equals
2.5.
5 or 2?
2.5.
2.5. Okay. And that's it. Okay.
Yes, the exterior